UGC videos are everywhere right now, and brands are paying creators anywhere from around $1,000 to $10,000 per video to create this type of content. Normally, creating a UGC ad would mean spending hours writing scripts, filming, reshooting, and editing everything together. But now, AI can do all of that in just a matter of minutes. You can create realistic AI avatars that look like real people, generate natural-sounding voiceovers.
First of all, it smells so good. Wow. This tastes unbelievable.
Build strong hooks that immediately grab attention, and produce complete UGC-style videos without actually filming anything yourself. I found an Instagram page called Fits AI Tanner, which has over 403,000 followers, and the entire page is built around an AI-generated persona creating UGC-style content for skincare brands, fitness brands, and other companies. And a lot of other creators are already jumping on this trend, using their own AI-generated characters. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own UGC character and produce this type of content at a fraction of the normal cost and time. Whether you're a brand, a creator, or someone looking to scale content faster, this workflow is going to be useful. But before we get into the tutorial, check out some of the videos I created in just a few minutes using this exact workflow.
Okay, my coworker would not shut up about this coffee. Oh, that smells insane. Yeah, I'm never going back to office coffee.
All right, new runnable energy, first time trying it.
Ooh, yeah, everything you just watched was created entirely with AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you two different methods you can use to create these UGC videos. I'll also show you the exact prompt I used, and by the end of the video, I'll explain how you can get access to it. If you use the workflow properly and put in the work, you can turn this into a real content service or business opportunity. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next tutorial on trending AI workflows. Now, let's get started. Alright, so for this particular workflow, we're going to be using a platform called Runnable. Runnable is basically an all-in-one AI platform that can do a lot more than you might expect. But for this video, we're going to focus specifically on using it to create UGC-style videos. Once you open runnable.com, go ahead and sign up or sign in if you already have an account, and then we can get started. Now over here, you can see that Runnable gives us two different modes, Ask mode and Agent mode. Ask mode works more like a normal chatbot. You tell it what you want, and it responds or generates something for you. Agent mode, on the other hand, automates a lot more of the process. You give it a few instructions, and it handles multiple steps automatically. For now, we're going to leave it in Ask mode. Before we start generating anything, we also need to choose the models we want Runnable to use. Click on Customize and then go into Personalization. Inside Personalization, you can choose the models you want to use for your image and video generation. Whether you're using Ultra, Max, or Normal mode, make sure your preferred image and video models are selected. For this tutorial, I'm using the Max option. For video generation, I'm using Cdance, and for image generation, I'm using GPT Image 2. Once your personalization settings are ready, head back to the homepage and we can begin the workflow. The first thing we need is the prompt I created specifically for this UGC workflow. We're going to start by generating our UGC character. So I'll head over to the Google document, find the character prompt, and copy the entire thing. If you need this prompt, leave a comment saying UGC, and I'll send it to you completely free. Once you've copied the character prompt, come back to Runnable, paste it into the chat, and click Send. Runnable will now start processing the prompt and generating our character. As you can see, the platform is currently using GPT 5.5 as the reasoning model for this process. Image generation is pretty quick. It should only take a few seconds, so we just have to wait for our character to be generated. And just like that, our image is ready. Let's preview it. You can see how realistic the character looks. Everything is clean, the skin texture looks natural, the lighting looks good, and it doesn't immediately look like an AI-generated image. Now that our character is ready, we can move on to the product. Come back to the Google document and locate the prompt for the product you want the UGC character to advertise. For this demonstration, we're going to create a premium coffee product. Copy the product prompt, return to Runnable, paste it into the chat, and click Send. Runnable will now generate the product image. You can repeat this exact process with virtually any product. And if you already have an existing product image, you don't necessarily need to generate a new one. You can simply upload the image you already have. I'm generating everything from scratch in this tutorial, so you can see the complete workflow. After a few seconds, our product is ready. Let's preview it. You can see how clean the product image looks. We now have a premium coffee product that we're going to use for the UGC advertisement. So at this point, we have the two things we need, our UGC character and our product image. I'm going to download both of them because we'll need them for the next stage. Now that our character and product are ready, head back to the runnable homepage and turn on Agent Mode. Once Agent Mode is turned on, select the model you want to use. I'm still using the Max option. Down here, you'll see several different features you can choose from. Since we're creating a video, select Video Mode. Then you'll see an option called Shuffle. Click on it and continue until you find the UGC Add feature. Once you see UGC Add, select it. Normally, Agent Mode would begin asking you a series of questions about the UGC advertisement you want to create. But I already created a prompt that allows us to bypass most of those questions and automate the workflow. So when the questions appear, cancel them. Then head back to the Google document. Inside the Google document, you'll find a section called Agent Prompt. Click on it. That will take you to a document containing the complete agent instructions for this workflow. Download that document to your device. Once it has been downloaded, return to Runnable and upload the file directly into the Agent Mode chat. Then click Send. The agent will read through the document and understand exactly how we want this UGC workflow to operate. After it finishes processing the document, the first thing it should ask you to do is upload the character you want to use. We already generated our character earlier, so click the plus icon and upload the character image. Then click Send. Runnable will process the character and then ask you for the product you want the character to promote. Click the plus icon again, upload the product image we generated earlier, and send that as well. Once the character and product have both been uploaded, Runnable automatically begins generating a new image. This new image combines the UGC creator with the product we're advertising. So instead of having the character and product as separate images, we're now creating a scene where the character is actually holding and presenting the product. This process normally takes around 10 to 20 seconds. And just like that, our image is ready. If you check the generation details, you can see that GPT Image 2 was used, which matches the model we selected earlier in our personalization settings. Now let's preview the image. You can see our character holding the coffee product, and everything still looks consistent. The character looks the same, the product design has been maintained, and the overall composition looks like a genuine UGC advertisement. Now we're ready to turn this image into an actual video. Head back to the Google document one more time. Near the bottom, you'll find a section called Animation Prompt plus Voiceover Script. Copy the entire prompt. Return to Runnable, paste it into the Agent Mode chat, and click Send. Once you send it, Runnable will process the instructions and automatically start generating the final UGC video. The prompt also controls the video duration. For this particular example, I set the video to approximately 15 seconds. Now we just need to wait for the video to finish generating. Video generation takes a little longer than image generation, usually around a minute or two depending on the workload. So let's wait for the final result. After a short wait, our video is ready. Click Open and it will take you directly to the generated clip. Now let's preview it.
All my coworkers have been talking about Runnable Cafe for the longest time, and I'm finally about to test it out. First of all, it smells so good. Wow, this tastes unbelievable. I'm never going back to regular office coffee again. You should definitely try Runnable Cafe.
That came out really clean. The facial expressions look natural, the character remains consistent, and the coffee product is still the same throughout the video. Even the environment has been maintained. The lighting, the laptop in the background, the overall setting, and the product placement all remain consistent. And that is the first method. We basically went from two simple images, a character and a product, to a complete UGC advertisement. You can download the final video, and I would also recommend downloading the combined character and product image in case you want to reuse it later. Now let me show you the second method. For the second method, return to the Runnable homepage. Turn Agent Mode on again. This time, we're not going to use the custom agent prompt from the first method. Instead, we're going to let Runnable guide us through the complete UGC creation process by answering a few simple questions. Select the UGC feature again. Once selected, the agent will automatically begin asking us questions. The first question is, what product do you want to promote? For this example, I'm going to type Runnable Energy Drink, then click Next. The next question asks, who is the target audience? I'll enter Gym Bros and Girls, then click Next. Now it asks for the single biggest benefit or hook for the product. I'll type, it gives you 10 times energy, then click Next. The next question asks whether you already have a character or product image. For this example, I'm going to select No, generate both from scratch. Then click Send. Runnable will process those answers and move into another set of questions. Now it asks which advertising angle we want. We have options such as authentic testimonial, pre-workout ritual, before and after transformation, energy state flip, unboxing and first impressions, or a custom angle. For this demonstration, I'll choose unboxing and first impressions. Click Next. If it asks you to describe a custom angle, you can skip that because we already selected one. The next question asks who should front the advertisement. We can choose something like young woman with a gym girl aesthetic, young man with a gym bro aesthetic, or let Runnable decide. Since we already used a female creator for the coffee advertisement, I'm going to select young man gym bro aesthetic. Then click Send. Next, Runnable asks where we intend to post the video. You'll see options for platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. For this demonstration, I'm choosing TikTok because I want a vertical short-form video. Click Next. Now select the video duration. We can create longer clips, but I'll choose 15 seconds again. Click Next. Then we get the design direction. There are several visual styles available. For this example, I'm choosing the option with a white and orange, bright and refreshing aesthetic. I like the orange look for this energy drink ad. Click Next. Now it asks about the audio and dialogue style. You can choose options involving spoken dialogue, ambient gym sounds, creator-to-camera dialogue, sound effects, or other combinations. For this example, I'll use the first option with spoken dialogue, ambient gym audio, and creator-to-camera delivery. Then click Send. Once all the questions have been answered, Runnable processes everything we selected. It then begins generating the assets automatically. First, it creates the energy drink product. Then it creates our UGC character, the gym bro creator who will advertise the product. And after that, it automatically creates an image of the character holding the drink. Let's preview the result. You can see how good this looks. The character has the gym aesthetic we requested, the product is clearly visible, and even details like the sweat, lighting, and gym environment make the image feel believable. Everything has been created without us manually writing a detailed image prompt. That's exactly why this second method is useful. Once you're happy with the generated image, Runnable will ask you to confirm that you want to continue. Simply type, "Go ahead." After a few minutes, our second UGC advertisement is ready. Let's preview it.
All right, new Runnable energy, first time trying it. Ooh, that's crisp. Straight orange, zero syrup aftertaste. Yeah, that's the 10x energy right there. This one's living in my gym bag.
That actually came out really well. You can see the animation where he interacts with the can, opens it, presents the product, and delivers the advertisement. The character, gym environment, product design, and visual direction remain consistent throughout the video. So this gives you two different ways of creating UGC advertisements inside Runnable. With the first method, we used our own detailed prompts and controlled the character, product, combined image, voiceover, and animation ourselves. With the second method, we simply answered Runnable's built-in questions and allowed agent mode to automate almost the entire process. Both methods can take you from a simple idea to a finished UGC advertisement. If you want the exact prompt I used for the first method, leave a comment saying UGC, and I'll send it to you completely free. You can also try runnable.com yourself using the link in the description. Now, let's check out the final videos we created, and I'll see you in the next one.
Honestly, I needed this after work, so I'm trying Decker coffee for the first time. Okay, this actually hits. Smooth, refreshing, and it's the perfect little reset. You guys should check it out.
All right, new Runnable energy, first time trying it. Ooh, that's crisp. Straight orange, zero syrup aftertaste. Yeah, that's the 10x energy right there. This one's living in my gym bag.
Okay, my coworker would not shut up about this coffee. Oh, that smells insane. Yeah, I'm never going back to office coffee.
All my coworkers have been talking about Runnable Cafe for the longest time, and I'm finally about to test it out. First of all, it smells so good. Wow, this tastes unbelievable. I'm never going back to regular office coffee again. You should definitely try Runnable Cafe.